welcome to Injili Media.
Why am I wearing this European cap? This is to express my solidarity with the French people who, in their opening Olympics ceremony, have mocked Jesus and his Last Supper with his disciples. The Olympic Games in France took this opportunity to mock one of the most important event of Christian beliefs as recorded in the Holy Scriptures. But my question to the people who seem to be offended, the churches, the clergy who are whining and complaining about this event in which Jesus and his disciples are mocked. Why in the world are you so offended? You have been tolerating, ignoring all this for years. Your churches have people from this community leading church services. So what's wrong? It's your doing. You have been doing this for years. Tolerating, putting up, brother, this is Christian love. So here you have. Tolerate. If people from this community can lead church services, why can't they make fun of Jesus and his disciples and the Last Supper in Olympic Games? What's wrong? You are responsible for bringing things to this extent, and pastors are crying and whining about it. Why? Celebrate. Christian pastors, celebrate. Brother, you are responsible for this, for bringing Christianity to this point of mockery, ridicule. So enjoy. This is all you're doing. Well done, pastors, pope, cardinals, bishops, reverends. Enjoy, celebrate. Hallelujah. You have succeeded in bringing the matters to this point. This is all you're doing. Enjoy it, celebrate it. No other religion would be mocked in this way. I challenge Europe. I challenge the whole world. Try any other religion. Try it and see what you get. But you have the audacity of making Christianity a mockery. Priests, bishops, clergy, the religious sect, you are responsible for all this, not they. They'll do what they do the best. But congratulations to the Christian clergy. A big day for you. Celebrate it. Finally, you got it. What a achievement. Kudos to the Christians, especially the Christian clergy. So far, I haven't heard anything from the Pope. If any other religion, the Pope would be the first one to come out and condemn it. I haven't heard anything from the Pope so far. Maybe he has said something. I'm not aware. But if he doesn't say anything, I won't be surprised. But congratulations to all the Christians, especially to the Christian clergy. You finally destroyed honor and respect of your religion. You deserve kudos. Well done. This is what Christians deserve, and they deserve it fully, especially the Christian clergy. I have no idea why they are whining. They should be happy. They should be celebrating it. Celebrate it. Enjoy it. You have finally succeeded in humiliating and destroying your faith publicly, something you have been working for a long time. So, well done. Priests, bishops, pastors, reverends, pope, well done. What a great service you have done to Christianity. So, keep going. Christians deserve it because they have brought it upon themselves.
Thanks for watching.